In, lock, in, out, in, lock, in, out. Super easy, man. Hey people, so this is the piece I was talking about, and this update is coming out from FlyWing very soon to your way. This is the blade holder, as you can see right here. So what you need to do is install the blade in this one. Okay, so tighten the blade, and once you have this here, and when you have this here, all you need to do is, push it in. It's like a spring loaded. Push it in, lock, and out. Done. Just like this. And no matter how much centrifugal force it has, no matter what head speed you run, it will never come out, because it goes in, locks, and comes out to another lock, like a V-shaped part inside, and whatever pitches you're pulling, it is completely locked and not gonna come out unless you push it in and twist it. And you can remove it and pack your helicopter super easy.